Hello, everybody, and welcome back to One Nation Weather. And it seems like I've been talking to you a lot lately about all the different systems that have been working their way across the country. And we have yet another storm set to cross the country this week. It is a winter storm moving out of the Pacific Northwest, heading into portions of California, the interior Southwest, places like that. And eventually, it's going to move off towards the East Coast. And once again, gives the chance for some severe weather here in portions of the South this time, not the plains, and heading into the Southeast as well. Good morning. It's Tuesday, February 28th, and we were going to be looking at a severe risk as we go to Wednesday and Wednesday night, and that's kind of what I want to focus on first. There's kind of a weak system making its way across the country right now, and this is going to be kind of what helps to spark this. There will be a little bit of moisture hanging around, and this will kind of just set the stage for more moisture to enter this area with the next front. But you can see some scattered 50 to 65 mile per hour wind gusts, certainly nothing to ignore. Hail to 1.5 inches of diameter, and a few tornadoes may be possible. Again, we had several tornado reports in portions of the plains here after that last severe weather outbreak. Sad to see all the damage there. I don't expect this event to be like that, but there could still be some weak tornadoes that get going here in portions of southern Arkansas, western Mississippi, northern Louisiana, and eastern Texas going to be the primary zones for that. So let's play out what goes on with that. You could see here's some of those thunderstorms maybe trying to get going here as we go towards the midday period on your Wednesday. But notice this, as we go into the evening hours, the storms will continue to gather themselves together. By the time we're hitting 6, 7 o'clock in the evening, some of these storms will be potent. Again, those gusty winds, some hail, maybe some isolated tornadoes cannot be ruled out with this threat. You can see it'll kind of break apart a little bit. Probably still some thunder embedded in this as it moves us to the east towards the Carolinas, but definitely weakening as we go into the overnight hours, Wednesday night and into Thursday. Now, here's Thursday and Thursday night severe, and this is with the next system. That's the winter storm coming out of the Pacific Northwest and entering California. Look at this. Pretty strong level 3 threat here going on in this area. I wouldn't be shocked if it's upgraded to level 4 in the center of that zone, but this is from portions of the Arklatex, which is Arkansas, Louisiana, Texas. We got, again, western portions of Mississippi getting in on this, but a whole chunk up from Georgia all the way back to Texas getting in on some of the severe weather threat, Memphis included in that damaging threat as well, and all threats would be on the table with that. Again, you could see snow coming out of the Four Corners region here as we go towards the start of the day on your Thursday. As time continues on your Thursday, we'll get some of these scattered showers and thunderstorms to get going. This is not exactly a futurecast radar. This is more of kind of just showing you the general precipitation, so don't count on this to show you all your individual cells, but you can definitely tell that there will be some of those stronger storms, maybe a line eventually forming as well as we go into the middle of the night here. This is midnight. As we go Thursday night into Friday, certainly some of the heavier activity getting going from Arkansas to Louisiana. Notice some snow on the backside of this wrapping around into portions of Oklahoma City maybe as we go into your Friday morning. Now, here's a look at the temperatures that are going to be coming up on Thursday afternoon ahead of this system. I mean, this is quite warm. We have 70s for many spots all across the South. But look at this, 87 degrees right there. We're at the crook of the L in Louisiana there, 87 near New Orleans. It is going to be a warm, steamy day now. Temperatures will drop a little bit ahead of the line, but it will still be quite warm for that as that line moves in. And the Storm Prediction Center has issued an early severe alert for our day on Friday here for the potential of gusty winds and a few tornadoes from portions of Kentucky all the way down to near the panhandle of Florida, as well as to the Atlantic coast there through the Carolinas, Georgia, and Alabama getting in on that. You could see temperatures for that line will be pretty warm as well, with 70s and 80s, plenty of severe support some of that severe weather, unfortunately. Again, here's that weak system crossing the country. You could see it in the north providing some light snow there. That's the first severe weather threat kind of right there. But you could see coming out of the Four Corners region, that is our next system. And that is going to be the more potent one as it moves on up towards the northeast here, also producing some snow in those areas. And look at this. Here's a look. You can see temperatures on your Sunday morning going to be quite chilly. All blues and greens across the map, with plenty of 40s in the south, plenty of teens and 20s in portions of the north, even places like Boston getting down to the 20s with this. Here's your credits. Thank you so much for watching, and stay safe out there.